Magandang araw, Katimpla Nation. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng spare ribs with black bean sauce. Gawin lang natin, cut natin yung ating spare ribs, i-form natin into cubes. Lagyan natin ng vegetable broth. Bring it to boil for 45 minutes. Lagyan natin ng grapeseed oil. Then sa isang bowl, just mix all your mixture. Meron tayong ground black pepper, white pepper, sesame oil, sriracha. Meron tayong dried chili and Thai chili. Meron tayong ketchup, Chinese white wine, soy sauce, patis, then yung ating black bean sauce. Mix lang pong mabuti, then iset aside. Lagay na rin natin yung ating green pepper, scallions. Then yung ating pork. Ilagay natin yung ating pre-mix sauce. Haluin lang natin hanggang ma-coat yung pork. Takpan natin for 3 minutes. Ayan, luto na po siya. Don't forget, subscribe and share. Thank you!